Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a footer in Google Docs. So footers are used in documents for different reasons. It depends on what type of information you have in the document. So you might want to use the footer to put in information about your company, the name of your company, or you might want to put legal information like copyright notice, or you can even put in like social media handles, anything you want depending on the document. This is how you do it anyway. So once you are inside your document, all you have to do is click on insert. Then we're going to scroll down to page elements. Then I'm going to click on footer. So here's where you want to put the information in for your footer. So just for today's tutorial, I'm going to write in my channel name. So this could be your business name. And once I've written it into one page, onto the first page, it'll be added to the footer of all the other pages. So that's how you add a footer to a Google Docs document. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.